More Buddy shenanigans. He just kicked it sideways to the floor. He likes to kick things off his table. What else? What's next, Buddy? The soccer ball that must go. Buddy. Buddy. What's next? He's full of entertainment. Okay, that's going down. Yes, that's on the floor now. So we got the blue ball, the plastic ball. There's something else over there. What's left to kick? Bring your little cute tail back here. So for this channel, you get fun bird videos as well as scrapbooking. It's these is paper passion and bird passion. Buddy, where'd you go? Buddy. Okay, now he kicks the ball around. Isn't this fun? I could just keep watching him all day long. Buddy. Buddy. Buddy the parakeet, what are you doing? Buddy, say something to your audience. No? Buddy. Kick it. Good job, buddy. Good job. Get it. If you enjoy these videos, let me know. We will make more. Possibly have his own YouTube channel. He's very entertaining and he's going to start scrapbooking soon. He said no to that one. He said if the scrapbooks are in balls, he'll push them off the table and play. Oh my goodness. Okay. See you guys later. Buddy, say bye. Buddy the bird. Okay, he's back in his cage. Okay, bye guys.